Here I got the Maserati Granturismo. So it's been kind of hard keeping the cars clean, especially since it's pollen season. And this one's a perfect example right here because I've had it outside and it's got pollen all over the place. So I gotta give this one a good wash. So, but I'm gonna try something on the Maserati. It's the waterless wash and wax. The car's pretty clean, but I thought it'd be pretty cool to try this. I've seen people do it when I go to car shows. They clean their cars and it gives it a pretty good shine. So since the car's pretty clean, it does have some spots that needs a little cleaning. So I got 2 rags, 2 microfiber towels. So one to apply the solution, the other one to wipe it off. I'm gonna go ahead and start at the front. I think the front of the Maserati just looks awesome. Seeing that really nice logo, just the grille. And I like this carbon fiber piece that this one has. So just a really cool design. I think it's like a timeless design because I mean this car was in production from 2008 to 2019 and it still looks like a very good design to this day, even as old as it is. So you can see this is the dirty fender and you can see all the spots, and then I went ahead and cleaned this one and I can tell it gave it a little bit of shine to it. So I do like the result so far. Seems like it's got a little bit of shine to it. But I also went ahead and bought a waxing kit that I could try later with the actual liquid solution, and I also got the electric buffer. But I want to go ahead and try this first, and just to see how it looks. So this is the passenger side. And this is the driver's side that I haven't cleaned yet. I can see all the dirty spots in the paint. I'm also gonna try to clean the interior. I got the leather treatment, leather wipes. Alright, so this is the dirty side. The one I haven't cleaned yet. And then all this side, even the chrome got a little more shine to it. This is the side that I went and cleaned. So I'm trying to get all the dust that it accumulates here by the lug nuts as well. So since I wasn't gonna use the microfiber towel anymore, I went ahead and rinsed it, and I'm just kind of getting all the dust out of the inside of the rim, cleaning out the calipers, because this brake system accumulates a lot of dust. These brake pads, they're only good for like 15,000 miles. So compared to the Corvette, I got 30,000 miles on that thing and they're still looking great. But this is a soft material and that's just one of the downsides. Lots of dust. So, and I went ahead and did the same to the rear. So try to get all the dust off of them. And let's look at the ones I haven't completed yet. So big difference for sure. So I didn't just want to get the paint looking good, I wanted to get the whole car. So get the wheels looking good, calipers, and then later on I'll move on to the interior, so that way it's a complete job. So I finished up cleaning the Maserati, cleaned the wheels, the calipers, so got some shininess to it. So I really like how the wash and wax makes it turn out, so definitely looks pretty good. So I'm gonna try to keep it cleaned up if I can. I know right now it's pollen season. So thanks for watching.